everyone and welcome to my channel One Door HR. In today's video, we will know all we had to know about non-verbal communication skills. So let's get started. Before we start, we should know what exactly is non-verbal correspondence. It is the transmission of messages or signals through utilization of eyes, contact, outward appearances, motions, pose, and the distance between two people. So it is all about the body language of people when they are communicating with us without using any single word or uttering any word from their mouth. Non-verbal communication is always louder than verbal communication. In spite of you comforting anyone in a conversation with good talks, good words, if your body language does not display kindness or positivity, then your words are considered to be tricky. It cannot be relied on. It cannot be trusted on. So your body language and the words uttered by you has to go hand in hand. Here are a few advices to make your non-verbal communication skills more effective. Good posture. Keep your shoulders up and back. Place your jaw, chest and temples straight in front. Always remember, a clumsy posture will reflect your indifference in the conversation and it is unprofessional. With a good posture, you become emotionally and mentally stable. And with this, you are able to handle the situation more intelligently. I want to give you a tip over here. For instance, in the event that you need to appear as decisive, utilize greater non-verbal communication motions. Whereas in a situation where you need to portray yourself as practical and sympathetic, think about utilizing understated signals and occupying less physical room. Overall body language. In this, the first thing which comes is proper eye contact. Always look into the eyes of the speaker. It symbolizes confidence and gives a feeling of being heard. Lack of this creates a feeling of doubt and disrespectfulness. But please note, too much of it may also symbolize arrogance. So whenever you feel a little uncomfortable, you may shift your gaze for few seconds here and there. But after few seconds, make sure you again contact the eyes of the speaker. Smile. Scientifically, smile makes us feel very good. Thereby it reduces the stress. Smile at the speaker or at the video. This passes your warmth to the listener. But of course, always remember, this is subject to the intensity of the discussion which is happening. At times, excess of this may also be considered as one's weakness, or it can also show a casual approach towards a discussion. So be very cautious when you're using smile as one of your non-verbal communication indicator. Facial expressions. We human beings have very expressive face. At times our face speaks more than the words what we actually use to utter from our mouth. We are able to express many emotions by way of our facial expressions. Please, my humble request, please do not point out your fingers while talking. We at times point out fingers unintentionally, maybe because it is due to the habit we have. But remember, this can appear to be a blaming situation to the speaker. So please do not point out your fingers. nodding your head. Nodding your head in between reflects your sincere interest in the conversation. This shows that you're listening to the speaker and you're participative. But remember, do not do in excess. Do not cross your hands, arms when someone is talking to you, because this is taken as a symbol that you are very judgmental and you're not open to any kind of conversation, or you're not open to any kind of ideas which are being given by the speaker. Eyebrow movements are also indications of non-verbal communication. For example, raised eyebrows depicts curiosity and attention. Pulled eyebrows shows sympathy, and one eyebrow raised shows doubt. Little changes in your non-verbal communication have a possible huge effect on how individuals see you and how you see yourself. Like any other skills, improving your non-verbal social capacity also take continuous practice. So please practice the tips given in this video and become a good non-verbal communicator as well. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe us. Thank you.